everyone, today in this video, we're going to explore how to create outboard cut lines for DTF printing using our CADLink software. CADLink software can automatically generate cut lines based on your image file. If you have purchased the plugin CounterCut, the cut lines are generated on the opacity of graphics. It creates cut lines around the solid area regardless of color. First, let's launch the CADLink software and get familiar with the interface. For images layout, we recommend using AutoList, which is more suitable for automatically cutting of DTF printing. Enter Q Properties, Layout Manager, Layout Model. Select AutoList from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the production markup. We will use the Sublista 1619 flatbed cutter for demonstration. So here, we select Sublista registration. Set the size of the mark point here, because we want to achieve continuous cutting of DTF rows. So make sure the Use segment option is checked and set the segment length to 600 mm, which means the cutter will deliver the next segment of printed images after cutting 16 cm in length. Tick Add start marks to help us identify which end is a start. Set the margin of the mark point here. And make sure this option, do not apply processing options to markup systems, is checked. This means it will not print white ink based on the markers. Then we go to Cutter, Cut option. Set the virtual line length to same as the segment cutting length. Also set to 16. Then make sure the width board option is ticked. Check. Enable width bars around each job. Set offset size 5 mm and cut process as live. In this way, it will automatically generate outboard cutting lines for each imported job. Let's take a look. Click Print and Cut Job. Then we get a print file and a cutting path file. That's it. Now we've successfully created the cut path for DTF print, and later we will use a USB to export the cutting path and insert it into our cutting machine. According to the machine settings, we need to manually position the first cut point and choose the cutting path file just exported, so that the cutter will automatically start cutting. We got this DTF transfer sheet, and it's perfect, and they are ready for his transfer. So you see, it's very easy and efficient, right? Any other questions, contact with Sublista team, or you can visit our website. You will get more tutorial videos and tips. Thanks for watching.